dancing tonight. A glow so soft it bent the night. The stars were whispers and not a fight. The ground below held shadows tight. But what does light sound like? I said, a laugh, a tear, or something